In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a blog post to a Weebly website. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. To begin, you want to log into your Weebly account, so head over to Weebly.com, and when you're there, simply enter your login details to sign into your account. Once you've logged in, you'll be taken to your homepage, where all your website projects are neatly listed. This is your launchpad for creating content. Now, let's enter the site editor. On the left menu, you'll see a tab labeled Website. Click on that, and then you'll see an option called Edit Site. Click on that as well. If you've got more than one site, don't forget to select the specific website where you want to add your new blog post. After you select your website, look for the Edit button and give it a click. This will take you into the page where all the magic happens. Once you're in the editor, you'll need to navigate to your blog page. At the top menu bar, you should see a tab that says Pages. Go ahead and click on that. It will display a list of all your pages and simply look for your blog page. Click on it to open up that section where we'll be adding our newest post. You're almost there. Next, look in the lower right corner of the screen. You should see a button that says New Post. Give that a click, and it will pop open the post editor where you can start crafting your blog post. Now, let's add some content. To start, type your title in the designated post title field at the top. This is going to be what grabs your reader's attention, so make it enticing. Now for the fun part. Using Weebly's drag and drop interface, you'll notice that you can easily add various elements to your post. Whether you want to include text blocks, images, or even videos, it's all just a simple drag away. You can arrange them however you like, so let your creativity flow as you build your post. Once you've crafted your post, added images or other content elements, and you're happy with how everything looks, it's time to make it live. In the upper right corner, you'll see a button that says Post. Click that and voila, your blog post is now live on your website for the world to see. And there you have it. Those are the steps to adding a blog post to your Weebly website. It's a straightforward process, and with practice, it'll become a breeze for you. If you follow these steps each time, you'll find that creating and sharing your thoughts and ideas becomes just that much easier. Thanks for joining me today, and don't forget to leave a comment if you have any questions about the process. Happy blogging!